Hey everybody, have you ever thought of starting a podcast or something, but you can't just do it because maybe you don't have the professional tools like many of the content creators have? Maybe you don't have the microphone, maybe you don't have the computer, maybe you don't have a studio to set up, just like we all have here as content creators and teachers and all of that. But folks, now you cannot use that reason to not show up because Adobe has done something really special for you all. And actually, I use this tool every week for our stuffs on LinkedIn. If you haven't checked our stuffs on LinkedIn, the link will be in the resource section where you can check it out. And we use Adobe AI in our editing part of the short videos that I create on AI and cryptos and all Bitcoin, all of that. So what you can do is that there is this wonderful website called Adobe Podcast. Okay, it is podcast.adobe.com. I'll have the link in the resources, not to worry. And when you go to the website, you'll have tools, and in the tools you can actually go to a tool called enhance speech. And when you go to the enhance speech tool, it looks like a simple web page just like that, but it's a very, very, very powerful thing because this tool can actually make things so simple for you. Actually, folks, what happens is sometimes we have good ideas, right, when we are walking in the park or doing something else, but the problem is we don't have our setup, or we don't have a microphone, we don't have a podcast recording studio walking with us all the time, right or wrong. So what can you do? You cannot record stuffs, but no more. Now you can actually record stuff right from your phone, right from any speaker of your choice, no matter how pathetic the sound would sound actually. But actually you can put it in this software, which is free for all of you, and the voice will be so crisp it will look as if Joe Rogan has recorded the podcast with you. Actually, the voice will be so crisp, so deep, so cool, and so it will be a voice without any background noise, without any trouble, without any echo, just like a professional microphone would make you sound. That kind of a voice you'll get. So we are going to sign up, and once we sign up, we will try it and have fun in the next one. See you there.